How to fix incoming call not showing on your Android phone. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to your settings on your Android phone like this, and then go to your apps manager right here. For example, this is one. Click on it, the apps manager, and click again on the apps, and now search for your phone like this one, and now go to notification management and click on display in status bar from here, so the, the the call will be showing on the screen if you have a call. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.